The premiere of Liam Neeson's latest movie was cancelled last night because of his comments about wanting to kill a black man 40 years ago. Organizers of the New York premiere of Cold Pussy made announcements just hours before it was due to start. Earlier, Neeson appeared on TV Good Morning America, insisting he's not a racist after revealing he went looking for a random black man to kill after a friend of him was raped. And on the Metro UK is an article saying some reaction. John Barnes, he said Neeson deserves a medal, he's not racist. But some people have another reactions on BBC. Some people, Eva Simpson, Daily Mirror, Liam Neeson gave one of the most explosive career-ending interviews I have ever heard, when he told a journalist he wanted to murder a black person after someone close to him was raped. He's now furiously backpedaling and telling anyone who will listen that he's not racist, not that with one eye on the effect of his comments will have at the box office. Neeson has admitted he walked around with a coach for a whole week trying to find someone to attack. The Guardian, Gary Young. We should at the very least admire Neeson for his candor. For all the work of the post-racial society, he is a white man who admits he literally went out for a week or more looking for a black man to murder. John Barnes, Liam Neeson deserves a medal. I don't think Liam Neeson is a racist. However, you could certainly make a case against him where you so inclined. You could damn him to hell forever because he was certainly committed a terrible sin by Hollywood standards. Brendan O'Neill, The Spectator. Neeson, in his rage over rape, was engaging in the horrible art of collective guilt, seeing all black men as legitimate targets for the crime of one particular black man. That's is racist and wrong, but here's the thing, Neeson knows this. He admits the weakness of his thinking. Celia Walden, Daily Telegraph. My very first thought was the man had too much therapy. We all know that Neeson lost his wife, Natasha Richardson, in a tragic skiing accident 10 years ago. And just last month, the actor lost his 35-year-old nephew, Ronan Sexton, who died of head injuries caused by an equally random accident. So it would not be surprising if Neeson hadn't had help from mental health experts who probably encourage him to let it all out. So these are some reactions of Liam Neeson. And what did Neeson say? He was speaking to the Independent to promote Cold Pursuit, a revenge thriller. In the interview, he said the alleged rape took place a long time ago, 40 years ago, and went on to use racially offensive language about the attacker. He said, "She handled the situation of the rape in the most extraordinary way. But my immediate reaction was, I asked, did she know who it was? No. What color? were they? She said it was a black person. I went up and down areas with a coach, hoping I'd be approached by somebody. I'm ashamed to say that, and I did it for maybe a week, hoping some black bastard would come out of the pub and have a go at me about something, so that I could kill him. He didn't go through any violence, and that was horrible. When I think back that I did that, it's awful, but I did learn a lesson from it. So this is what he said. After that, he told ABC Good Morning America on Tuesday, I'm not racist. Asked what he wanted people to take from his experience, he told the host to talk, to open up. We all pretend we are all politically correct in this country, mine too. You sometimes just scratch the surface and you discover this racist and bigotry, and it's there. He said learning of his friend's rape about 40 years ago, she has since died, gave him a primal urge to lash out. Doctors said he went out deliberately into black areas in the city looking to be set upon so that they could unleash physical violence. He said he would have acted the same had his friends assumed what been white, but admitted he had been shocked by his own response. How did others respond? The Guardian's Gary Young wrote, the next time someone asked me why I have a chip on my shoulder, I need no longer brush the question I went with this day. I can say without sincerity, because there may well be an Oscar-nominated actor out there who want to kill me, so I have to be alert at all time. Kehan Andrews, a professor of Black Studies at Birmingham City University, told the BBC News some comments were completely inappropriate and offensive, and to make them, as he promoted the film, was distasteful. Von Glynn said Neeson had probably put paid to his career, but former England footballer and anti-racist campaigner John Barnes defended Neeson during an interview on BBC Radio 5 Live. He was ashamed a week into it. He understood that he was wrong for thinking what he did, and we have to have this conversation. Many on social media have also had, they said, since the story has been on Monday, that the safe place. Being upset someone attacked your family is understandable, but targeting innocent black men for a week with a weapon when you didn't even know who did it, it is racist. Do you know how many innocent black people have lost their life in the past for stuff like that? This is not okay. Frederick Joseph, lioness and being ready to take any black life over what one person allegedly did just show how meaningless and inconsequential black lives are to some. Even him telling the story demonstrates a level of privilege and understanding that there may not be repercussions. But some agreed with Barnes that Neeson should not be castigated for admitting such truths, but realizing they were wrong and saying he had learned from them. Eric Schneider. Liam Neeson had a terrible impulse that he didn't act on, that he knew was terrible, and that he learned from. They're going to cancel people for being tempted to do wrong, or for struggling with something before coming to the right conclusion. Well, we're going to be busy. So there are some reactions from the Liam Neeson film Red Carpet even cancelled on Erasing the Row. So some of the people they are saying Liam Neeson career is finished now, some of them they say Neeson didn't do anything wrong, telling that story happened 40 years ago and he's sorry about what he did. And we don't know. These are the news, BBC News and Metro UK News. We don't know what can happen. Liam Neeson said he is not racist and he's sorry about what he did at that time. Okay. See you in the next video.